Hi, this is Brian Oliva at Getsemani Music. This video will be just a quick video on how to take different timbres from different presets to make something new of your own. We're going to start by creating a new init patch by hitting Compare and Shift. And then I'm just going to hit Home to go back to the list of presets. I want to start with the lead, so I'm going to switch categories to lead, just to narrow down the list. So here's all the leads, so I'm just going to browse the leads and find something appropriate. So under beaming, there's a timbre. Number 1 is called beaming. So the second soft key at the top says timbre 1 to synth 1. So pressing that, I go back to the init patch, and you can now see that beaming is set to synth 1. And now I'm switching to synth 2. I go back to the list, and I'm going to change the categories to bass. And we'll scroll through the bass patches. And we'll try this one that says Ghost Town. So with it set to synth 2, that same soft key now says timbre 1 to synth 2. So pressing that loads Ghost Town into synth 2. So now you can see that beaming is loaded under synth 1 and Ghost Town under synth 2. And we turn synth 2 on so you'll be able to hear them both. Right now they're playing together. So I'm going to set the highest note for synth 2 to be the B below middle C. And then I'm going to go back to synth 1 and set the lowest note for beaming to middle C. So Ghost Town now has the lower part of the keyboard and beaming the top part. And with the keyboard split, playing the lower part does bass, and the higher part does the leads. So now you can just go back and save it, give it a new name. I'll just use the random namer. And it's given us the name Click Foretell, which we'll do for now for demo purposes. I'm going to save it as a new preset. And now we have Click Foretell with a beaming lead in the top half of the keyboard and Ghost Town on the bass. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.